Hello everyone. Are you wondering what dank means? Let's explore. Dank is a term that originally referred to something damp or musty, but in modern slang, it has taken on a new meaning to describe something that is excellent or high quality, especially when it comes to internet memes or marijuana. When something is called dank, it means it's particularly good, potent, or impressive. In the context of memes, dank refers to those that are unique, clever, or have a certain edgy quality that sets them apart from the ordinary. The term has been embraced by internet culture as a way to label content that stands out in a positive way, often because of its creativity or humor. In summary, dank has evolved into a word that signifies excellence in a specific, often niche context, particularly online. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.